I'm going to share with you how you can grow your existing electrical company without having to add additional staff and trucks and other associated equipment. My name's Larry Dashiell, the owner of Summit Technology Group. We're a 50-year-old electrical contracting company here in Santa Rosa, California. My father started a company in 1968, and I took it over in 1990. At that time, we only had around 8 people, and I really wanted to grow the company and started looking at ways to do it. I decided to add low voltage services to our existing electrical company. I soon realized how many hurdles you had to jump over with a lack of talent in the industry. Very few designers, programmers, and technicians available. From this experience, I created a company called At Ease Home Services, so you too can add these low voltage services to your existing electrical contracting company. As an electrical contractor, you take a huge financial risk every day running your business. We both know that most of your jobs got about 60 to 70% labor and 30 to 40% material. It doesn't take much for a job to go bad when your labor goes over on a project. As an electrical contractor, for you to grow your business, you're going to have to go out and hire more electricians, hire more project managers, warehouse people, purchasing agent, so on and so forth, and then go out and bid more projects, which takes on more risk. On top of that, it's a slow process, especially when you're already too busy. Add on that bad hires, lack of time to train, and just adds to the risk of an already risky company. We know that not all employees have the same commitment and drive as us owners do. There's also a huge lack of talent in our industry. Older people retiring out and very few young people joining in. So how do you grow your company in these existing conditions? One way is to add more products to your organization. That would be like generators, lighting control, and light fixtures. The other way is to add low voltage services to your company. That's what I did back in 1990. And I soon realized the industry was very fragmented, very few quality people out there like designers, programmers, and engineers. Over the years, I built my expertise in the low voltage industry. I was even elected to the CEDIA Board of Directors, which is Custom Electronics Design and Installation Association, an organization that represents manufacturers and dealers in the low voltage industry. The bottom line, what this has done is made me different from other electrical contractors. When we go to meetings, now we're not just the electrical contractor, we're the integration contractor that does everything, low voltage and high voltage for the clients. So it makes us different, so we're not in a competitive environment, now we're part of the design team. A few years back, I decided to create a company that would allow other electrical contractors to bring low voltage services to their organization. I heard from friends in the electrical contracting industry that they wish they could add these services to their company, but didn't have the bandwidth, knowledge, or time to do this. So I created a company called At Ease Home Services that brings all the back-end stuff you would need to bring these services to your clients, not having to hire designers, programmers, engineers, and all the other aspects that are needed for you to get into this industry. At Ease Home Services brings in all the back-end support for you to install and sell these highly profitable systems. That includes training programs for the installation and sales part, design, engineering, product procurement, and after-sales support, most importantly. What I've learned over the years is our owners love to use their trusted electrical contractor to install their high voltage and low voltage systems. It's been very successful to us. Why not bring this to your company too? So here are a few concerns that you might be thinking. I don't know how to design or program these systems. You don't need to. That's the expertise we bring to the table. I don't want to deal with a client calling me when something doesn't work. You don't. We handle all the calls and the customer support. I don't know how to sell these systems. We will train you so you have the same confidence as if you were selling a service upgrade. We have all the back-end support and sales tools to make you successful at this. I just don't have the time to do this right now. I understand this problem as well as anyone. I too have poured my heart and soul into running my business. I would ask you, by adding these services, it'll actually give you more time. Instead of doing double the amount of projects to grow your business, you can do the same projects and double the volume on your projects. This will give you more time and allow you to grow your company quicker without having to add all the additional staff and other equipment that goes along with that. I don't want to invest the capital at this time. I challenge you to run the numbers on this. You can either go the traditional route of hiring more people, buying more trucks, bidding more projects, and taking the slow route, or you can add on the low voltage services to your existing clients. So basically, you don't have to double the volume of your projects, but you can almost double the volume of your jobs. I'm a lifelong electrician, and I'm excited about the home automation industry. I firmly believe electricians are the ones who should be installing these systems. I would love to learn about your company and how At Ease can help you grow your company. Let's start the conversation.